So this is my order from Laura Geller. So let's just open this together. And let's see. I think I got a few things this time around because I really wanted to try the products and give it a good, honest, try. So I got their lipstick duo, and I got a whole bunch of eyeshadows, you guys. I have two palettes. So I got the Madison Ave Mattes, and I got the Soho Shimmers. They were on sale, so I figured, why not? And I also got the 4-piece eye brush set, plus I think this was a free gift. I think this is a lip liner. I'll be able to tell you guys in a minute. Look at the color though, that's pretty. All right, so then the main goal was to get the other two foundations, baked foundations that she has. I really liked how that other one looked on my mature skin. It didn't crease, it didn't look cakey. And so let's give this a try. And yes, I bought these all, you guys. I'm not sponsored, I'm not affiliated. Okay, so we have the Illuminating Foundation. So this is the Balance and Glow. And the other one I have is Baked Balance and Brighten. That's the one you guys saw me use. Okay, so now I have the Balance and Glow. Now, I think when it comes to figuring out the coloring that I'm not sure. I just went with Fair, which is what I had with the first one. So that's the Baked Balance and Glow. Okay, and then the other one I got was the Double Take Baked. And I got it in Fair as well, so they're all the same shade. Kind of give them like a fair coverage test kind of thing. If I can get it open. There we go. Okay, so this one, it comes with the foundation, but it also has a little spot in here for you to put the little, there's a dry side and a wet side to the sponge, so it depends on how you want to put it, like how you want to use it. Let's say white side is wet, pink side is dry. Okay, so let's just put those over there. So the lipstick duo that I got is Italian Marble. So it is a berry banana and a rose macaron. You guys know in wintertime, everybody's lips get dry and gross. And so this has ribbons of light and dark pigments swirled together to create multi-dimensional look. Its unique formula is infused with nourishing vitamin E and castor seed oil to hydrate, just like your go-to lip balm, applied directly to your lips. That's why I was so excited. Look at the tubes. Those are really pretty. Laura Geller. This is the berry banana. Let's take a look at that one. You can see the marble effect in there. There's no smell. I'm excited that these have the vitamin E and the castor seed oil in them. And then this one is the rose macaron. Ooh, look at that one. See the marbling in there? Oh, she's pretty. So we'll try those out here in a little bit. Let's take a look at the eyeshadow kit. So you have a base blending brush, angled crease brush, smudger brush, and a dual-ended liner brush. Okay. So that's how they come. I was impressed with the other brushes that I have, so that's kind of why I wanted to get some of their regular shadow brushes. It's time for an upgrade anyways. Okay, so there's that dual-ended. You see how that tiny, there we go, that liner is? That's really nice. Okay, very nice, lightweight. They look like they're nicely made. And it does say right on the brush what they are for, so thank you, Laura Geller. I appreciate that. Okay, so this is the Soho Shimmers 14 Baked Eyeshadow. Okay, so it's got the clear Look at those colors. And let's look at the Madison Ave Mattes. I was so glad that these were on sale. There is so many sales going on for Black Friday. Laura Geller included. Okay, you also have that little plastic sheet, but look at those mats. Oh, don't fall out. Look at them. Absolutely beautiful. So have a wonderful, wonderful day and keep smiling.